Hello and welcome to Managerial Economics MBA 560. My name is Dr. Paz and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Now let's get started and talk a little bit about finance and accounting and all aspects of business. So finance and accounting are heavily involved in managerial economics, and finance and accounting kind of go hand in hand with economics. So you need to have that foundational basis in order to study managerial economics. Most organizations have corporate officers and they're known as the C-suite. You are probably familiar with the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer, and then the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer, and I was lucky enough to serve in that role for 5 years. And then the other C-suite that's very common is the COO, Chief Operating Officer. Now let's move to the output that finance and accounting give us so that we can analyze it and from an economical perspective, which are the financial statements. Namely, there are 4 types of financial statements: the balance sheet, the income statement, the statement of cash flows, and the statement of stockholders' equity or retained earnings. The financial statements, along with the financial statement ratios, help us in measuring the health of an organization. Here you'll see that there are several types of ratios, such as activity ratios, the debt service, financial leverage, profitability ratio, and liquidity ratio, all helping us as analysts or economists to understand the financial health of the organization. In understanding the financial health, not only do you have to review the revenue, the money that the organization is actually bringing in through sales of goods or services, but you also have to review costs. And a common cost that is applicable to managerial economics are full-time equivalent costs. Basically, what that is the cost of what the product would be had it had the full-time in production. Another key aspect of understanding the financial health of an organization, or just even running an organization, is budgeting. So there are several players within the budget, not only the C-suite that we mentioned before, but also there's budget coordinators, and all of these individuals should have and are required usually to have some type of background in either finance or accounting. So that's just a little overview of managerial economics and the financial statements, and also budgets and the players that formulate that budget. Keep in mind that from a business standpoint, finance and accounting knowledge are necessary.